Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I see that a lot of you guys have been doing really well with my 5 tips to boost clicks. Well, today I have 3 more for you. So get your pen and paper, write these down because they're definitely going to work. Biceps yet. So you guys, growing a YouTube channel is not that easy either. It takes a lot of hard work, a lot of research, and you know what? We're in it for the long haul and we're gonna figure this out together. So let's buckle up and get ready for 3 more tips to get that money. Okay, so number 1 is brand your channel, which I know sounds really obvious, but let's get into some specific tips. If you want to make a lasting impression on visitors to your channel, you need to make it look good. Here are the simple steps to do just that. So, it says set up a brand account on YouTube. This will give you access to YouTube analytics, which is important. So I don't know if you guys are using your analytics, but I definitely utilize them every single day. It gives very valuable insights. So definitely set up a brand account. Make sure you also add contact information and your other social profiles so visitors can engage with you in their preferred way. Like on my banner on my homepage, I have a link to my Twitter, my Facebook, and my Instagram. So you should definitely do that. I also try to put the symbols at the end of each video, and I always have links in my description box. That helps everyone connect with you on as many platforms as possible so that you can remind them about the content that you're creating. You should also fill in the about section of your profile using keywords where relevant to help visitors learn more about your brand. I think that's really important as well. So add a channel trailer. This is a great way of setting viewer expectations of your channel and introducing them to you. That's something that I actually haven't done yet. Let me know if you guys have tried a trailer yet or if you're working on one, because I'd be curious to know if this is really a game changer. And then it says add a channel icon or logo. If you don't have one, there are quite a few logo makers you could use. So I don't really have an icon or logo, but I do try to stay consistent kind of with my branding with the yellow flowers used as my background and consistently in every single video. So you can do some consistent things with things as simple as that. And it says add a great looking YouTube banner. This can help you quickly tell a story about your brand and your channel. I think that's really interesting. Tell a story with your banner. Mine right now is just yellow flowers and my name and kind of all of my links. So I'm gonna think more about how I could tell a story with my banner. So number 2 is discover what people are searching for. So I know we all find it incredibly difficult to kind of read the minds of the general public to know what they're searching for. And I also think it's important to post things that you enjoy. So remember, maybe looking at what people are searching for, but still choosing something that resonates with you. So some tips. They do suggest that you should use the Keyword Explorer tool that I mentioned in my last video. It is by TubeBuddy, which is a plugin, and I also have a link in the description box, but it's this free plugin that I have, and you go to the Keyword Explorer tool and you can type in different keywords and it will tell you which variations of that topic are most popular or are being searched for right now. Another option is to use the keywordtool.io, which I'm not familiar with, and apparently that gives you some similar insight as well. And the tool spits out hundreds of keyword ideas that contain your original keywords, many of which will be more specific topics, often called long tail keywords, which could be great topics to cover on your channel. You choose a topic you like the look of and use the TubeBuddy to check how competitive it is. Do this for every video you produce and this will give you a better chance of success. So TubeBuddy is a good tool. I have a link in the description box. You can download it. You can use the free version or you can upgrade, but it definitely gives you insights as to whether your keywords, your topic is competitive or not, if people are searching for it, or if there are already too many videos available. So number 3 is be consistent. I know you've probably heard this over and over, but being consistent is a key that I have even seen in YouTube videos, the videos that YouTube puts out for suggestions. They claim that as long as you don't abandon your account for 6 months, it should be fine. But I've seen other arguments that you need to be a lot more regular than that. So uploading your videos consistently is a great way of getting viewers to come back to your channel for more. Commit to your audience by uploading videos weekly, monthly, etc., depending on what works best for you, and keep it going. This is the key. The key is to develop a sustainable workflow and avoid dry spells, which can lose you subscribers and momentum. So I think what is one side of this, the importance is to kind of establish a relationship with your followers so they know every Tuesday you're going to post, or once a month on the 1st you're going to post, or whatever it is, so they kind of get into the habit of thinking about your posts and coming to your page and checking it out. But it's also important for you to kind of form a habit. If you do want this to turn into a job, you kind of need to treat it that way, where you have deadlines and you have goals. And so it's important to set specific goals for yourself, whether on a periodic basis, and then work hard to make sure you're meeting those goals. And make sure you set something that is doable, because if this isn't fun, what's the point in doing it, right? So keep things light, keep things fun, but try to be organized, be consistent. So I hope you all enjoyed learning 3 more tips to get clicks on YouTube. I think that it was really helpful information. I'm definitely going to implement some of these things myself. As always, I post weekly, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell. I will continue to make videos similar to this, where I share with you guys some of the results of the research that I've done over the last few weeks. And as always, I love to post about gardening, about fashion, about history, and all sorts of things. So hopefully you'll join me in some of my other videos, and until next time, bye!